How to download YouTube videos. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device, and now let us first see how to download your own YouTube video. So tap on the U option from the left side toolbar, and now you will see a bunch of videos. Simply tap on the view all option you see there, and then go ahead and navigate to the video that you want to download. Once you have opened the video that you want to download, simply tap on the three dots you see there, and you will see the option for download. So tap on the download option, or you might see the download option there itself too. So tap on that, and with this, the video will be processed for downloading. And just in case if you want to download someone else's video, then go ahead and open the video that you want to download, and further go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and you will see the option for download. Tap on that and make sure that you will need a YouTube Premium account in order to download the video of fullest quality. So if you already have YouTube Premium, then simply tap on the download option you see there, and with this, the video will be downloaded. You can then tap on the U option again, and you will be able to view all your downloads. So this was about how you can download video on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.